Today we are going to see a hospital API. It is a node project where I used Express and Mongoose for the database. Here you can see the constant require Express equal to require Express and a mongoDB configuration. Here I created a folder for config for middleware Mongoose and passport. And you can see the dependencies in package.json. Here the list of dependencies like .env, Express JSON Web Token, and node passport and passport web token. I imported all the required dependencies. And about the middlewares, and in configuration we have middlewares. Here I used constant JSON web token required and export.verify token async function request response and next, and console the bearer token authorization. Let token equal to required header authorization, and it will show the console token. If not, it will show another unauthorized access and error of 401. It will show this. And if error await, verify the token. And in Mongoose, we can see here I used let db equal to URL process env db URL. Here I use a required .env function configuration, and it will show the bind it if any error connecting to db. Otherwise, it will show successfully connected to database. And in passport JSON web token, here also same I imported all the required dependencies, and a JSON form request will be given for auth header and passport dot doctor find by ID. And I created a folder for controllers like doctor controllers. Here is the main body where it will first ask module export register, like it will show doctor login, like login function request or response. We need email and password. If email is not incorrect, then it will show no email and password. If it is an invalid user, like it will show a message of invalid user and password. For checking the password match, we used constant is match equal to await doctor match password. And here it will get a JSON token, get signed into JSON web token, and it will show the message login successful, and it will store the token in doctor.username. And for the patient controller also, it is as same as that. We can try to connect the name phone number of the patient, and same the code is in git repository also. And I herein added all the code in git repository. You can see all the required dependencies also in readme file. And in function we need what yes, here we return the response like patient registered successfully. First, patient registered successfully, otherwise it will show an error 401 JSON error occurred. And I created a models for doctor patient report and routes. Here also routes. In models you can see the email constant, like we need required type, it is a string, and email password username and a timestamp also. And doctor schema, it will save async function. Here it is in hospital API. Yes, here I added all the required dependencies also. You can copy the code in local local code local terminal and type npm install. It will start. And in patients also, same, here we used same the phone name and doctor timestamp also. And these are the reports, and in routes we have API function where I exported the routers, and we need a register and login pages. It will redirect to it. And in index.js, here also same the doctor patient reports, it will be redirected to that page. And here is the node module package configure hospital. That's all.